What's up, boys? We back with another one. By the time this video comes out, 4th of July will be over. But for this momentary moment, just have a great 4th of July, celebrating America. And if you're not American, that's fine. But if you are, just have a great 4th of July. And I'm just going to show you guys the progress that we got on this thing. 412. 412. How do we get to this? We were at like 180,000 on the first episode. How are we at this? We're pretty much halfway. We're pretty much halfway. Bro, this series has been fun and it's also been interesting. But as you guys know, before we get into this, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And yeah, which map should we go? You know what? I'm gonna try this map. What? When did I? I don't care. Okay. But, oh gosh. Let's see. Nothing to see here. And there we go. Crap, that sound is back. But okay, let's get into this. I actually need to put down a tower. It's the first time that I've ever noticed that you actually have to put down towers in this. Did you guys know that you have to put down towers in this game? Oben is just gonna cook for us. Yeah, if you're wondering how I just got a lot of it. Oh yeah, yeah. Don't look at it. Don't look at this. What was that? What? There's just like some effects right there. Monkeys. Also, guys, if you like monkeys, hit the like button. Crap, I just had a voice crack. Yeah, hit the like button if you like monkeys. Yo, Oben, keep on cooking. This will be where the top. Oh, I didn't mean to make it that small. There we go. Now we can actually see. It's just at 100. It makes my game lag like crazy. Oben is cooking on the front lines. Man, I don't even know what that does. What does this do? Let's energize. Yeah, but like, we are just chilling right now. Chilling. But I do need... You know what? We'll do that. We'll just do that. I don't count it as cheating. Don't call me a little cheater. I just wanted to get to this upgrade fast. Because this map, it gets confusing eventually. What I like about the spike factories is that they can hit anything. They'll do damage to anything. Camos doesn't matter. Leads does not matter. Holy bro. What's that sound always playing? Oh gosh. But yeah, I think this is like the 5th episode of this series, but you know, if you guys are enjoying this series, comment down below what you think of it. Whew. Get the sounds down a bit. I don't want to have a whole avalanche happening in my ears. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, but like, brother, none of you camos are getting past. Oh gosh. Moab Shredder. Shredder. And reduces ability cooldowns of nearby. I'm gonna just get it and see. Oh, hang on. So, okay. Oh, no. This is gonna be my monkey empire. Yay. I just am doing. Sure. Why not? Oh. Nope. And now we've just got the money rolling. Okay. I think we need a bit more of an offense. Oh my gosh, my ears. Whew. Yes, I'm gonna put this guy here, do that. Okay. We just got the money rolling over here. Yeah, we're pretty safe right now. Just chilling with our money. Also, since this video is coming out after 4th of July, how was your guys' 4th of July? Comment down below. Can I get it? Yeah, it's too easy. Not what we making. We're just making a whole lot of money. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay. Maybe about time that we actually started upgrade stuff. Yeah, I kind of have to get that. There we go. Okay. Now we're chilling again. Yeah, nah. In here, I might as well just get this. There we go. Wait, no, what am I doing? I'm so stupid. Right here, this one will be the Blitz. This right here will do that. Wait, am I always actually at... I swear I'm not always at this much lives. I need more money. I'm spending it too fast. I spend money way too fast. And now boom, I already broke again. Boom, we broke. We broke again. Now you see. Now we make big bucks. Big boom bucks. Balloon crush. You know what? I get one of these. Come on! Give me more money. Money. I want the money. Fine. There we go. I'm just trying to think of things. Actually, So if anything comes here, it's just burn. Burn like the fire! Wait, here, I'll just do that. Here we got that. I still have just $1 billion. Like, I have too much money. Oh. Wait. If I do that, I'll just go bottom path. Bananage. Oh. Da-dong. What do we have here? Okay, I make more money. Hold up. Is my brain mathing or not mathing? This guy's gotten... What? It don't make sense. Boom. Bang. Boom. I'm in control. Whee. When it's submerged, it helps. Yay! Boom. Boom. Okay, fine, I'll get this. Just to destroy everything. Oh gosh. Only 65,000. Come on. Work harder. Yeah. You've been doing very good on this map. Nothing has gotten past that. But it's like, I kind of want it to get past that. Let's see. Is he okay? Well, now we should be making more money. Where's my money? Why am I not making money? Give me money. Give me money. Yes. Yes. I love money. Money, my favorite. Sure, more stuff to spend my... Oh no. Gosh. This game, bro. There we go. Oh my god. Wait, no! And just goes in. Boom, 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 boom. Yay. Okay, well, this map is a bit too easy. Just so that this thing will actually get some pops. Just gonna put that right there. Oh, this is getting popped. Oh wait, I want to test something. Yep. Okay. So I may have found a way just to get a crazy amount. Just sell that. So now if I just do that, there's spikes everywhere. Let me check if time's, yep. Okay, time is off, Lego. When you break through the matrix and realize you might actually be made out of Lego. But I understand that. Well, that's gonna end off today's video, guys. We may have found a bit of a glitch, but not really. One more spam before you guys go. So each of these are have like 5,000. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the next episode, and comment if you guys had a great 4th of July and if you like this series, and peace out.